Hi there, I am the compounder and this channel is about financial investments. I have started investing 10 years ago. I have made money, I have lost money, I have made more money. I was fearful, I was greedy, and through all of this process I have kept learning. If I was to start all over again and I could only remember 5 things, this is what I would like to know. The first one is compounding. The moment you understand that your money can produce other money, it's mind blowing. It was for me, and I think it will be for you too. The second one is less trading and more holding on to shares. Good companies over time produce excellent and beautiful results. If you buy now and sell again and buy again and sell again, you are gonna lose a lot of money. Just buy a good company and keep it over time. Third, diversification. This is very important. Do not have only one income stream. You need to have money coming in from more than one source. May it be a salary, may it be stocks, bonds, rental properties. You need to have more than one thing that brings you money every month or quarter. 4. Walk away money. Or for our US viewers, FU money. It is best to have a financial reserve, let's say for 6 months, a year or 2 years in some extreme cases. It is good to be free. It is good to have a backup. We do not know what tomorrow brings, so be ready for it. If you don't like your job, say goodbye to it and find another. Find something that you like to do. Fifth, and this is important, live way beyond your means. Money does not buy happiness. Money buys freedom. And when you're free, you're usually pretty happy. I'm sure there are free persons that are very sad and miserable. I'm sorry for them, but I'm not one of them. So for me, freedom is happiness. Living way beyond your means does not mean that you don't have to buy anything you like. It does not mean that you can't go on vacation. I go on plenty of vacations. The only difference, I don't pay for them. I have assets that produce income that pays for them. You need to do the same. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please like, share and subscribe. Until next time.